Hi there, students. To tingle, a tingling, a tingly as sensation, as an adjective. Okay, to tingle, it's like a pricking or stinging sensation, but without the pain. It's like somebody's putting little needles into part of your skin, but you can feel it, but it's not painful. And that is to tingle. Yeah? So my hands were tingling from the cold. Yeah, it's as if lots of little sharp points are being put quickly and lightly into your body. So it's like this is a tingling sensation. If you don't move your hand for a couple of minutes, you get what they call pins and needles, or this tingling sensation in your hand. Yeah. The touch of her fingers sent tingles up and down my spine. Yeah. It made me tingle with emotion. Yeah, so you could tingle with fear or excitement. Yeah, you feel it very strongly. So this is the metaphoric meaning of it. Yeah, she tingled with fear as she entered into the dark alleyway. Yeah, my toes were tingling from the cold. Yeah, you come in from the cold and your toes are really, really cold, and then you put them in warm water and you get this tingling sensation. And this is to tingle. Yeah, or maybe somebody slaps you and ow, it hurts, but then it stops hurting and you have this tingling sensation. Yeah, your skin is tingling. Yeah, as if it's been plunged in cold water, or it's had a very slight electric shock. Yeah, so it's sort of this prickly sensation, this stinging sensation, but without the cold. Yeah, so prickling, something like that. Yeah, the hair on the back of her head tingled. Yeah, my cheeks were tingling after a long walk out in the snow. Yeah, when you put this cream on your skin, it will start to tingle. Maybe if you eat something and it's just got a little bit of chili in it, it doesn't burn your mouth, but it makes your tongue tingle. All these exotic spices made my mouth tingle. Yeah, this sort of ringing, stinging, prickling, thrilling sensation. Yeah, so it can either be physical or we can use it metaphorically. A tingle of excitement, a tingle of anticipation. Yeah. When I realized what was really happening, my body started to tingle. Yeah, so your arm might be numb, and then numb, N-U-M-B, you can't feel it, and then it starts to tingle. Yeah, you get this tingling sensation. Okay, so let's see, to tingle, I would give this 5 in formality. Yeah, it's something you could use just about anywhere. To tingle is a regular verb. My skin tingled. My skin has tingled like this on occasions, on previous occasions. And let's see, it's probably related to the word tinkling, to tinkle, the tinkling of a bell. Yeah, they say you can use tingle for tinkle, but I'm not sure. Tinkle, 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 tinkle. The bell round a sheep or a goat tinkles. Tinkle, 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 tinkle. Yeah, and this probably comes from, tinkling in Middle English. Yeah, which comes, I think, itself from the sound ding, ding, ding of a bell. Okay, So to tinkle, so yeah, so not to tinkle, to tingle. Yeah, we're talking about tingle. Yeah, so you get this tingling sensation in your skin. It's like it's electricity or alive or something like that. And then you can use it metaphorically. I tinkled with anticipation as I was about to kiss her. So there you go anyway, to tingle. Tinkle is a sound. Tinkle, 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 tinkle. And tingle, 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 tingle. Yeah, but they're both closely related. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Tingle.